finally done. So I've got power coming from in my bedroom to a power point. Have the water tank, 5,700 litres. Have the first, leaf diverter and then water diverter to the tank. The tank is currently full at the moment. The green is full, so it'll be full up to about here, not quite all the way, but sort of where my snorkel stops is pretty much where the water level is. So tank's full. I just finished building the box for housing the water pump. This is our door, latch there, there's our water pump, and the Ozito. Have the roof on the top sloped to run off the end, so it's fairly watertight. Our sink and our tap, so the water comes in from the tank into this pre-filter, and it's going to catch some of the fine particles, then up through the pump and out to the tap. It's all recycled. None of it I've bought because we've been in lockdown. And yeah, that's it. So far I'm pretty impressed with the pump. It's currently at 40 psi. It fluctuates between 40 and 55, but that's fine. This jar's water bowl. It's got like a float in it, and yeah, that's how it works. Just straight out of the tank in. Alright, let's have a look at the pressure. Pretty decent pressure. Pump's running now, you can't really hear it, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. So this summer I won't be watering by hand, it'll be all by hose.